I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems.
So today I'm going to be showing you a very easy DIY. I got these 2 chair covers from the Dollar Tree, and I automatically thought that'll make a cute little bag. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take the covers out of the plastic, and then I'm going to place them together, and then I'm going to mark where I want to sew them together. I'm just going to be sewing a straight stitch all the way here. Now before I do that, I do have to cut the handles off. I'm just going to tuck them into the envelope so that they're not in the way when I sew the bag. And do the same thing for the other one. So I just went and grabbed my pins, and now I'm just going to pin the layers together. Now it's 4 layers, so I thought these pins will be sturdy, but it gave me a little bit of issue, so I end up using some clips as well. Now I'm going to take the straps, I'm going to fold it in half, so that way I have 2 pieces to attach to my bag. So now I'm just drawing the outline so you guys can see exactly where I'm going to sew. It's just going to be a box. So I did have to burn the edges so it doesn't fray. Please be careful if you're going to recreate this. That's the only thing, just you gotta go all over the world to turn it, make sure it's good to go. Okay, now we're done with that. Now we're gonna go ahead and sew the bag together. I did use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I did sew the bag together, good side to good side. All right. So the last thing I did was took the little straps, I folded it in half, and I cut it. Then I folded it in half and then just stitched it down. Do. So it'll be good to go. So just stitch a straight line. Just like that. Okay, so now I got 3 more to do. Okay, you guys, so the bag, I noticed that it's got 2 different sides. So this, I'm assuming this is going to be the back side. And then look at the front side, y'all. The front side got lashes. I love it so much. I love it so much. So the next part is I found some ribbon, and I just went ahead and cut the ribbon to the size that I wanted. And then I'm going to apply the ribbon to the bag. I'm going to fold it in half, mark the middle point, and then use that marking to attach it to the strap on the back side of the bag. Once it was stitched down to the bag, I just tied it in a bow, and there you have it. Let me show you how it turned out. Just to send my love back. Hey, Adele. No. Adele don't want this Dollar Tree bag, but I think it's cute. Let me know down in the comment section what you think. It's a cute little bag or whatever. I'm Too New For You. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.